Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have another Persian dish, شوید پلو با لوبیا چشم بلبلی و مرغ, which is rice dill with black eye peas and chicken. Okay, let's go over the ingredients and start making it. This dish is very similar to the one that I already made, which was the fava beans rice with chicken. This is also everywhere in Iran, every city they make this. There is not that much a difference city to city. Some places they put the little bit the potato in there or just put the tomato paste. But also you can make this food with either chicken or meat. I mean, if it's a lamb, it's much more delicious. Anyway, this version that I'm making it is a chicken. So what we need, this is actually for 4 people I'm preparing. I have four quarters of chicken, which is a part that have a leg and thigh. So again, you can choose breast or any parts that you want or make it as small as you like. I have about 2.5 cups of rice, which I already washed that few times and just soak it in salt and water. It's about sitting there about 2 hours. This one, which is a black eye peas, I already washed that and cook it maybe about like 50 minutes or so, and it's already cooked. It is more than I wanted to be cooked. It's almost 95%. I prefer, just cook it just like 80%. Then the rest of them, when you add it to the rice with the steam, is going to be intact and it's not going to be mushy. Anyway, for this dish also, we need dill. Dill, what I have here is about 1 bunch, and I clean that and I'll just take the stems off. And I'm going to chop it also. I have about 2 tablespoons of the same thing, dill, but it's dry. You can use like what I'm using, some dried, some fresh. Or you can use all fresh, or you can use all dry one. I need 2 small onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and little bit of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 bay leaves, and very small cinnamon stick, and some liquid saffron. All right, the first thing that we have to do, we just go and saute a little bit of our chicken. Then I show you from that point what we have to do. A little bit of oil, you don't have to put that much, okay? And just turn your stove, and if it gets hot a little bit, then I'm going to put the chicken inside this pan. All right, here's our chicken. Put it in. Okay, it probably is going to be like a 4 to 5 minutes each side. Depends on, just want to get a little bit color. You're not going to cook it like this. So when it gets to that point, then we add some of the onion and we go from there. Let's go and just slice the onion. All right, I guess it's, turn around to the other side also. All right, because I don't want to spill the oil, I'm gonna put the lids on. Okay, while I'm sauteing this away, I put some water here and just gonna make it boiling. When it starts boiling, we are going to add the rice into the water. All right, I think that's enough because, as I said, you have to just to get a little bit color. You don't want to cook them through. So to take them out. All right, then put the garlic and all the onion here. So I'm not gonna, slice or just mash the garlic. So just put it like this because there is no need. You don't have to go very intense in a garlic taste. It helps for developing the rest of the taste come out and it enhance it. After a few minutes, then we should add all our spices. Turmeric. I mean, these are also optional. If you like, more turmeric, you're welcome to add more, or you want to make it a little bit spicy, add more of the pepper. So either black or chili, it's up to you. Okay, these are our bay leaves and cinnamon. No, it's good enough. What we are doing right now is we are going to put chicken back. This says my pan is a little bit, I think is bigger than I like to wish, but it's okay. All right. You can add your salt also. And some hot water. Okay, up to here, you don't have to cover it all. Now, it's not a bad idea to put a little bit of this saffron also at this time. Now, we are going to put the lid in this one and let it cook about an hour maybe. As soon as our water starts boiling, then we are going to add the rice, and then I show you how to drain the water and put the rest of the ingredients. Let's go and chop our dill. It doesn't have to be very fine, it just roughly is okay. All right, this is it. All right, the water is boiling. So it's the time to add our rice. Okay, we're gonna check on this one, probably 7 minutes or so. The rice start going up and down by the heat, and we check. That might be the time that we should add peas and dill. Just 1 minute before we drain the excess salt and starch. So let's wait in 6 minutes, come back to see if it's time. Okay, you see that boiling, and move the rice. Now it's the time to add our dill and the black eye peas. Okay, 1 more minute. We shall drain this. Okay, it's the time to drain. All right, we are going to rinse it again. As I said, it takes all the salt away because we put like a 5 teaspoon salt in it, and also extra starch gonna go away. For putting back this rice for the second time to be cooked by steam, always put the maybe 2-3 tablespoon water and same amount of oil before to put the rice back. Now, also is a time if you want to make a tahdig different from the rice itself. So just like you want to put the potatoes, you want to put the bread, that's the time before you put the rice. Okay, it's one more thing before just put back. I rather to put a little bit of our saffron and mix it. It's gonna give both color and aroma. This is a half of the big pita bread, and I should like to have a nice tahdig. Here we go. And what for putting this back, the best thing is just use either your hand or very small spatula. Or tablespoon. You do like this, and also here is the time for our dry dill also here. It gives you a very nice coat. All right, I know some people are very sensitive about using your hand cooking, but I mean, that's a reality. If you want to just go eat in restaurant and you think nobody touch your food, then you shouldn't go and make your own food all the time. So for those people, have a respect and use this one. Last part. These things are not a standard. It means if you really like dill, just put as much as you love it, and there is no right or wrong about adding the things that you like more in your food. So some people they don't like too much, some people like more than the others. But this is, I guess, it's very moderate size of everything that I choose. All right, it goes back to the heat for 2-3 minutes. First in a high heat. As soon as it start, you see the steam comes and I covered your lid. Then reduce the heat and put kitchen cloth and let it be there with a very low heat for 45 minutes. And I think that's the time that our chicken is going to be ready. So we're going to serve the food. See you. By the way, I forgot something. This is usually if you make a few holes here, so it makes it easy to breathe and the steam goes through. And also, this is a time if you like to put a little bit butter for just because it's going to be dry. This is the time also. You put it there, then it's going to be mixed with the heat of the steam. It's going to be cover all your rice. All right? So you can do that too. Okay, you see this start, the steam's coming out. And also, for those who likes that little bit taste, this is the time also. You slice a little bit of this butter and put it in different places. All right. Now I'm going to put the kitchen cloth and reduce the heat to very low. Okay. From here we go to here in next 45 minutes. Okay. We're going to put this. All right. See you later. Also a little bit more saffron and mix it colorful. Same thing with the chicken. And I am going to put a little bit more of the saffron for the color and taste. So we're almost there. As soon as the rice is ready, these are definitely ready. All right, guys, it's been already 50 minutes. That's the last time I left you guys. Now the food is ready. I'm gonna serve it. Okay, guys, this is our food. It's ready. It looks fantastic and it also looks delicious. I haven't eaten that yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be awesome. Here is our black eye peas with the rice and dill. This is our chicken. It's perfectly cooked, and this is a juice if in case somebody wants to always put that in the side. And our tahdig, actually, it's unbelievable. Look at this. This is one piece and delicious. So this is my plate. As I said, I haven't eaten it, but I'm ready for it. So excited. And thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you again for supporting me with the nice comment that you put in there. And I really be more appreciative if you share this video and recommend to your friends. Till next time with another Persian dish. Bye.